If there is one thing in my house that I hate cleaning and dealing with, it is this jetted bathtub. It gets so funky so fast, but you have to be able to clean it on a regular basis because those jets trap mold and all kinds of nastiness. So I was so thankful to Active for sending this jetted tub cleaner. I was excited to give it a try. I was excited to see how well it would clean out the jets. One of the great things about this bottle is that it has the measurements on the side. So you know exactly how much you're pouring. You don't have to measure anything out. This is great for use in all jetted tubs. So I'm going to show you how I used it. First thing I did was I filled up my tub past the jets. You want to make sure that that solution can get into every single one of the jets. I shook it up really good, and then I poured in 4 ounces of the solution, and then I simply turned on the tub. So here I am trying to measure it out. I turned on the tub and I let it go for about 20 minutes so all that solution could completely run through the system. And then after 20 minutes, I decided to see how it would look. As you can see, it got really, really bubbly. It didn't go over the sides of the bathtub, so that was a good thing. But it got nice and bubbly, and then I took a look at what was on top of the tub. It really wasn't too bad. There were a few specks of, I guess, mold or dirt or something like that. It didn't look like it had gotten out a lot, but then again, there may not have been a lot actually inside the tub to begin with because we do clean it regularly. Now, I did notice that there was definitely mold left here on the filter area and on the jets that I had to scrub out myself. I did decide to fill it up with just plain water and run it like that to see if anything else would come out. And there was some mold and stuff that did come out on the plain water rinse. But overall, I feel like it did get out some of the mold. But like I said, I did have to go back and do a little bit of scrubbing on the outside where you probably need to scrub anyway.